To connect a Hostinger Horizons web app with Supabase, start by creating a project in Hostinger Horizons. Once the project is created, navigate to the top right corner of the screen and click on Supabase. From there, add an organization by clicking on the relevant option, which will direct you to a new screen. On this screen, you will have the option to connect to your Supabase account, and if you don't have one, you will need to create it. You can create an account by continuing with GitHub SSO, or by signing in with your email and password. After selecting your preferred method, you will be redirected to authorize the application, which may take a little time. Once authorized, you will need to create an organization by scrolling down to the bottom of the page and clicking on the relevant option. You will then need to name your organization, select the type of organization, and choose a pricing plan. After filling in the necessary details, click on Create Organization, and the organization will be set up in a few seconds. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the page and select the organization you want to grant API access to. Read through the information provided. Then click on Authorize to grant Hostinger Horizons access. Once authorized, you can connect to a project by clicking on Supabase again and selecting your organization's name. If you don't have a project yet, you can either refresh the page for your current project to show up or click on Create New Project. If you choose to create a new project, you will need to give it a name, set a database password, and select a region. It's recommended to choose the region closest to you. After filling in the necessary details, click on Create New Project. Once the project is set up, everything will be connected, and you can start working on your project. You will see that your project is now connected to Hostinger Horizons and Supabase.